Gastronomy is at the heart of every culture all over the world. And we believe talented chefs can inspire people. That's why we're committed to nurturing the next generation of visionary chefs. Building a community where youth meets experience and experience meets the power of dreams. An environment that's both inclusive and selective. A network that's both human and digital. A driver of values and responsibility around the table, around the world. This is the San Pellegrino Young Chef Academy, where talent knows no boundaries.